Today on How To Blinds, we're going to measure up for a perfect fit shutter light. For this product, we're going to measure the window from bead to bead. So, we'll start by measuring the width. Take 3 measurements from the bottom, middle, and top. And take a note of the smallest width of the 3, ensuring your measurement is accurate to the millimetre. Now we'll do the same for the height, once again measuring from bead to bead. Measure 3 points from the left, middle, and right. And take a note of the smallest measurement of the 3. Now we'll have to measure the bead depth. This will determine what size bracket we require. Using a credit card as a guide, take a note of the measurement from the glass to the edge of the card. This is your bead depth. Now we can do the same for the top window, taking note of the narrowest width, narrowest height, and the bead depth. As this window has a handle, we'll have to measure its location for our rebate. Take a measurement from the left-hand side of the bead to the pivot point on the handle. And note down the measurement. And that's how to measure for your perfect fit shutter light. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.